my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you what watermelon can do to your hair now, because I kind of put in some other fragrance and some other natural ingredients, and you're going to be seeing it in the video. So if you want to know what it is, do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Okay guys, let's go. Alright guys, for an healthy long hair, now to grow your hair and to get your bald hair growing back, you're going to be making use of watermelon. Okay, now watermelon is essential in our bodies and help with blood circulation in the scalp. Watermelon naturally contains a lot of citrulline that increases the level of arginine and is therefore good for promoting hair growth. Now this would help to strengthen the thickness of your hair by its natural vitamins. Alright, so the next one we're going to be making use of is going to be garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial property that helps kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. Further inhibiting hair growth, raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. And we're going to be putting in a little bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into its follicles. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bites. Coconut oil adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. Coconut oil prevents hair breakage and split ends. It contributes to the length and the thickness of your hair. And then we're going to be needing vitamin E capsule. Now you can either use the vitamin E oil or you use the vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E antioxidant property repair damaged hair follicles, prevent tissue corrosion, and help build tissue. This keeps your follicles healthy and promotes healthy hair growth. Vitamin E promotes blood circulation and acts as deep moisturizer for your hair, preventing breakage and brittle hair. Now to prepare this guys, we're gonna be cutting the watermelon into two. And this is how it looks like. So we're going to be now to get this out, we're going to be blending it, and you have to blend it plus the seed. Okay, so now we're going to be putting in garlic. So I'm going to be preparing this garlic. Alright, so here I have the garlic, and I'm going to be putting that in. I have to blend it and I'll be back. Alright, so it's blended, and now would have to sieve out just the juice of the watermelon. Now you can use a cloth and actually just double it so that you don't have any particle coming out and hanging on your hair. Alright, so after doing that, then you can pour in your coconut oil into this. About 1 tablespoon of coconut oil is okay, and then you'll be needing vitamin E capsule, and I'll be piercing in 2 capsules. Okay, so after doing that, then you have to mix. You mix it very well. Okay, so for this, guys, you can actually apply it on your hair whenever you want to wash your hair. Like on your wash day, you use watermelon to apply, and it's gonna help your hair grow really well, and your hair is gonna get thicker. Hey guys, all right, so here's watermelon. It smells like watermelon, of course. What will it smell like anyways? Okay, so what you're gonna do is that if you have board edges, you just apply this on your board edges. Now you apply this anytime you actually want to wash your hair, so that you can, apply and then you wash. Okay. Alright, so I'm actually going to, since I'm not ready to, I'm not ready to loosen this hair, I'm just going to be putting it on the scalp of my hair, okay? So it will strengthen the hair. Okay? So I'm just going to put it on the scalp. So I'll be losing the hair tomorrow, but before that I'll have to use it again, and then I would loosen it and wash it. But as I'm doing it this way, I'm still gonna wash it anyways. Okay, so after applying it, then you can hold on for like 15 minutes, okay, or 10 minutes, and then after that, then you can actually wash it off with just shampoo, and just shampoo is gonna be okay. If your hair is very thick, you can use a conditioner and it's gonna be helpful, okay? So that's basically it. Do this anytime you want to wash your hair, and you're gonna see the result. The result is gonna be very enormous, like so huge. Yeah, well, I just discovered it, and I'll be coming back to show you guys my results. Although my hair has actually grown really well at this. So that's it, guys. That's just how, as I braided my hair, just like now I'm wearing a wig, I just put it in between the lines and allow it to sit there for like 1 or 2 hours, and then I wash it, okay? And then when I wash it, I might even apply it like 3 days, like 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, as the case may be, because I actually do have it in my fridge right here. Okay, so I use that, and then I apply more especially my edges, okay? And then it does help me a whole lot. So go try this out. I'm sure you're gonna say, oh, it's new. Yeah, it's actually very good. You can Google it and see how it is. I'm sure you will love it, like seriously. So yeah, that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye and stay beautiful.